Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about getting top quality sound for your recordings, podcasts, or live streams, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the best audio interfaces of 2024. From budget-friendly options to pro-level gear, we've rounded up the audio interfaces that will take your sound game to the next level this year. Whether you're a musician, content creator, or sound engineer, these picks are designed to meet every need in budget. So, stick around and let's explore the best gear of 2024. Ready to upgrade your sound? Let's jump right in. Number 1. Focusrite Scarlett 2i2. Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 is a standout audio interface that has earned its place as a favorite among musicians, podcasters, and content creators. Its compact design and robust build quality make it a reliable choice for both home studios and on-the-go recording. One of the most unique features of the Scarlett 2i2 is its air mode. This feature, inspired by Focusrite's high-end studio equipment, adds a subtle high-frequency boost to your recordings. This enhancement gives vocals and acoustic instruments a brighter, more open sound, making your recording stand out with professional clarity. The Scarlett 2i2 is equipped with two combo inputs that support both XLR and 1/4-inch connections. This versatility allows you to connect a wide range of instruments and microphones, making it suitable for various recording scenarios. Whether you're recording a podcast, laying down guitar tracks, or capturing vocals, the Scarlett 2i2 handles it all with ease. Another notable feature is its low-latency monitoring. This is crucial for achieving precise timing and performance during recording sessions. The Scarlett 2i2 connects via USB-C, providing a stable and fast connection to your computer. It's compatible with both Mac and PC, and the setup process is straightforward. The included software bundle is impressive, featuring Ableton Live Lite Pro Tools First and a suite of Focusrite plugins. This comprehensive package gives you everything you need to start recording right out of the box. In conclusion, the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to elevate their recording game. The Scarlett 2i2 delivers exceptional performance and value for discounts and updated prices. Check the links in the description below. Number 2. Audient ID4 MKII. Audient ID4 MKII is a compact yet powerful audio interface that stands out in the crowded market of entry-level interfaces. Its sleek design and robust build quality make it a reliable choice for home studios and mobile recording setups. One of the unique features of the ID4 MKII is its class, Audient console, and mic preamp. This preamp delivers a clean, transparent sound that captures the nuances of your recordings with exceptional clarity, whether you're recording vocals, instruments, or podcasts. The mic preamp ensures professional-grade audio quality. The ID4 MKII also boasts a JFET instrument input which is designed to replicate the input stage of a classic valve amplifier. Another standout feature is the scroll control function. This innovative feature allows the main volume knob to double as a virtual scroll wheel, enabling you to control various parameters in your DAW or other software. This adds a layer of convenience and efficiency to your workflow, adjusting quickly and intuitively. The ID4 MKII offers dual headphone outputs, which is a rare find in this price range. This allows two users to monitor the audio simultaneously, making it ideal for collaborative projects or teaching environments. Additionally, the interface supports iOS compatibility, allowing you to record directly to your iPad or iPhone, making it a versatile tool for mobile recording. To check availability and current pricing, see the link in the description below. Number 3. Behringer U-Phoria 2 Mauritanian Ouguiyas. Behringer U-Phoria 2 Mauritanian Ouguiyas is an entry-level audio interface that offers a surprising amount of functionality for its price. Compact and straightforward, it's an excellent choice for beginners and those on a tight budget. One of the standout features of the Behringer 2 Mauritanian Ouguiyas is its Zini X preamp. This high-end German-engineered preamp ensures that your recordings are clear and true to the original signal without unnecessary coloration or background noise. This is particularly impressive given the UM2's affordability. The interface includes two inputs, a combo XLR, TRS input for microphones or line-level instruments, and a dedicated 1/4-inch instrument input. This allows you to record vocals and an instrument simultaneously, making it ideal for singer-songwriters and solo musicians. Another unique feature is the direct monitoring capability. This feature allows you to hear your input signal with zero latency, which is crucial for accurate performance and recording. The direct monitor switch is conveniently located on the front panel, making it easy to toggle on and off. The Behringer U-Phoria UM2 is bus-powered via USB, which means it draws power directly from your computer. This eliminates the need for an external power supply. In conclusion, the Behringer U-Phoria UM2 is a fantastic entry-level audio interface that offers excellent value for its price. Its combination of high-quality preamps, direct monitoring and portability makes it a great choice for beginners and budget-conscious musicians. 12 Whether you're recording at home or on the go, the U-Phoria UM2 provides a reliable and straightforward solution for capturing your audio projects. Number 4. Solid-State Logic SSL2 Plus. SSL2 Plus State Logic is a premium audio interface that brings the renowned SSL sound to home studios and mobile setups. Known for its high-quality components and professional-grade features, the SSL2 Plus stands out in the competitive market of audio interfaces. One of the unique features of the SSL2 Plus is the Legacy 4K mode. The SSL2 Plus is equipped with two SSL-designed mic preamps that deliver pristine audio quality. These preamps provide a clean, transparent sound with plenty of headroom, making them ideal for capturing vocals, instruments, and podcasts with exceptional clarity. Another standout feature is the high-quality headphone amplifier. The SSL2 Plus offers two headphone outputs with independent level controls, allowing for flexible monitoring options. This is particularly useful for collaborative recording sessions or when you need to switch between different monitoring setups. The interface also includes MIDI I/O, which is a valuable addition for musicians who need to connect MIDI controllers or other MIDI-enabled devices. This feature expands the versatility of the SSL2 Plus, making it suitable for a wide range of recording and production tasks. The SSL2 Plus connects via USB-C, ensuring a stable and fast connection to your computer. It is compatible with both Mac and PC, and the setup process is straightforward. The interface is bus-powered, which means it draws power directly from your computer, eliminating the need for an external power supply. In conclusion, the Solid-State Logic SSL2 Plus is a feature-rich audio interface that offers exceptional value for its price. Its combination of high-quality components, innovative features, and user-friendly design makes it an excellent choice for musicians, podcasters, and content creators looking to elevate their recording quality. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the SSL2 Plus delivers impressive performance and versatility. For updated prices, click the link in the description below. Number 5. Universal Audio Twin X Duo. Universal Audio Twin X Duo is a premium audio interface that brings professional studio quality to your desktop. Known for its exceptional build and sound quality, the Twin X Duo is a favorite among musicians, producers, and audio engineers. One of the standout features of the Apollo Twin X Duo is its Unison-enabled preamps. These preamps allow you to emulate the sound of classic analog gear such as Neve API and Manley by adjusting the impedance and gain staging to match the original hardware. This feature provides a level of tonal flexibility and authenticity that is unmatched in other interfaces. The Twin X Duo is equipped with dual-core DSP processors, which enable real-time UAD plug-in processing. This means you can track and mix with near-zero latency using Universal Audio's extensive library of high-quality plugins, including compressors, EQs, reverbs, and more. This capability is particularly beneficial for those who want to achieve a polished professional sound without taxing their computer's CPU. The Apollo Twin X Duo offers elite Class AD and DA conversion, providing a dynamic range of 127 decibels and ultra-low THD plus and total harmonic distortion plus noise. This makes it compatible with both Mac and Windows systems, providing a stable and efficient connection for your recording setup. In conclusion, the Universal Audio Apollo Twin X Duo is a top-tier audio interface that offers unparalleled sound quality and versatility. Its combination of Unison preamps, real-time DSP processing, and superior conversion makes it an excellent choice for serious musicians and producers looking to elevate their recordings. Whether you're in a professional studio or a home setup, the Apollo Twin X Duo delivers exceptional performance and value. That's all for now. So hopefully you did enjoy the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more videos like this one. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.